Welcome at the RTSC Guru. Today we are going to learn Unit 17. The title of the Unit 17 is They Are Walking in the Garden. In this unit, you will learn the following: how to answer the telephone, how to make a telephone call, how to talk about what do you like and don't like. Here are the words you will learn to use: after, ask, before, beep, breakfast, busy, chess, dinner, drink, empty, football, full, garden, gulf, hair, long, lunch, message, newspaper, number, play, please, read, shop, short, speak, swim, telephone, television, tennis, watch, work. Here are some phrases you will learn to use: have a haircut, leave a message, take a message. Here are some sentences you will practice. He likes playing the piano. Do you like washing the car? I will get it. Hello, John. Speaking. Can I speak to Tom, please? Please call me after lunch. Who's calling? I'm sorry, she's busy. Can I take a message? Grammar tips. The new structures in this unit are gerund and past continuous tense. So, gerund and past continuous tense. Picture 1, a piano. Picture 2, he is playing the piano. Picture 3, he likes playing the piano. Okay. In picture 3, he likes playing. The word playing is gerund here, and he's playing the piano. The word playing here is the fourth form of the verb. Okay. So this is the difference. Okay. Gerund means a noun. Okay. Noun with ing form. Picture 4, a newspaper. Picture 5, she's reading the newspaper. Picture 6, she likes reading the newspaper. Picture 7, a garden. Picture 8, they are walking in the garden. Picture 9, they like working in the garden. Picture 10, washing the car. Picture 11, do you like washing the car? Picture 12, yes, I do. No, I don't. Let's revise this page. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3. It's your time to read them. And Picture 4, Picture 5, Picture 6, Picture 7, Picture 8, Picture 9, Picture 10, Picture 11, Picture 12. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1, swimming. Do you do your children like swimming? Picture 3, yes, they do. Picture 4, reading. Picture 5, do you like reading? Picture 6, yes, I do. Reading is interesting. No, I don't. It's boring. Picture 7, driving the car. Picture 8, there is a blank. You need to fill this. Do you like driving the car? Okay. Picture 9, fill the blank here. I like I like driving the car. He likes driving the car. Okay. Picture 10, shopping. Picture 11, fill the blanks. Does your husband like shopping? Picture 12, yes, he does. Let's move the let's repeat this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1, watching television. Do you like watching television? Picture 2. Now picture 3. Yes, I like. It's interesting. It's interesting. No, I don't like. It's boring. Picture 4, a dirty car. Picture 5, a clean car. Picture 6, before washing the car. Picture 7, washing the car. Picture 8, after washing the car. Before washing the car, after washing the car, and washing the car. These are the pictures. Picture 9, long hair. Picture 10, short hair. Picture 11, before having a haircut. Picture 12, having a haircut. Picture 13, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12, picture 13, picture 14, picture 15, picture 16, and picture 17, picture 18. Let's move to the next page. A telephone. I will get it. Picture 2. Picture 3. Hello, John. Speaking. Picture 2. Excuse me. Hello, John. Speaking. Picture 3. Can you get it? David, I'm busy. Sure. Hello, John's phone. David speaking. Let's repeat this. Picture 1, picture 2 here, picture 3, picture 2 here, and picture 2, picture 3, and this picture. Let's move to the next one. Picture 1, breakfast. Picture 2, lunch. Picture 3, dinner. Picture 4, before dinner. Picture 5, after dinner. Let's revise this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Can I speak to Tom, please? Picture 2. Sure. Can you ask Tom to come to the phone? Picture 3 here. Tom, can you come to the phone, please? Hello, Tom speaking. Picture 2. Jim called Mr. Lee after the lunch. Please ask him to call me after the lunch. A message, leaving the message, taking the message. Picture 3. A telephone. Sorry, we can't come to the phone now. Please leave the message after the beep. Hello, Alan. This is Jim. Please call me after the lunch. Thanks, bye. Picture 1 and picture 2, picture 3 and picture 4. Picture 2, picture 2 and picture 3. Picture 3 and picture 2 and picture 3. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Hello, Carol. Speaking. Hello, Carol. Can I speak to Kim, please? Picture 2. Sure. Who's calling? Please. This is Ken. Picture 3. Kim, it's Ken for you. Picture 4. Hello, Kim. Speaking. Picture 5. Hello, Carol. Speaking. Picture 6. Hello, Carol. It's Liz. Can I speak to Mr. Kim, please? I'm sorry. Hello, Carol. It's Liz. Can I speak to Kim, please? I'm sorry, she's busy. I can take a message. Picture 7. Ask her to call me after the lunch, please. Sure. And picture 8. She's taking message to her. Picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. Picture 7. Picture 8. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Hello, Carol speaking. Picture 2. Hello, Carol. Can I speak to Kim, please? I'm sorry, she's not here. Can I take a message? Picture 3. Ask her to call Hilda after lunch, please. Sure. Picture 4, she left the message here. Okay, she is leaving the message here as well. Let's repeat this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, and move to the next page. Picture 1, golf. He is playing golf. Picture 3, he was playing golf. Picture 4, tennis. Picture 5, they are playing tennis. Picture 6, they were playing tennis. Picture 7, football. Picture 8, they are playing football. Picture 9, they were playing football. Picture 10, chess. Picture 11, they were playing chess. Picture 11, they are playing chess. Picture 12, they were playing chess. Let's repeat this one. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's move to the next page. The Bensons. Good night, and how was your headache? How's your headache now? And I don't have a headache now. Picture 3. That's good. Let's go to the supermarket after lunch. I need some milk. Okay, I will come. I like shopping. Picture 4. I'll get it. Picture 5. Hello, Anne. Speaking. Can I speak to Tom Benson, please? Picture 6. Sorry, he's not here now. Can I take a message? Yes, this is the drugstore. Tom left his credit card, in my shop. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6. Let's move to the next page. Oh, did he? Yes. Can you ask him to call me on 96874296? Picture 8. Yes, I will ask him. He will call after lunch. He's playing golf now. Picture 9. Thanks for calling. That's okay. Bye. Picture 10. Tom, the drugstore called. You left your credit card there. Oh, did I? Yes, you did. He left his message telephone number. Picture 12. My card's not here. I will go and get it after lunch. So this is all about unit 17. Before we end this section, this video, revise this page as well. Picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12. That's all about this unit. See you in the next video with the next unit. Bye.